Hello, this video gives detailed guides and tips to win CompXM 2023, Capsim CompXM 2023 with top results from 860 to 930 out of 1,000 points. So you started round 1, you see on the screen, we started round 1 with 4 products in 4 segments, thrift, core, nano and elite, 4 different products from the low cost to medium and high cost, high quality, right? Your game will have 4 sections, 4 segments like this, but maybe different order. So you need to check industry condition, report to find out the details of the product and how to update the product for 4 rounds. So for this example, the thrift is the first product, and the second core is the second product, and third nano and elite product number 4. So we are going to add 4 new products in the first round, so we will get the top result from round 3. As you see on the screen, we are going to add or develop the new 4 products in the 4 segments. So we will have 2 products in 1 segment, and then we can double the sales and profit. Therefore, we can double the sales and profit. The product requires about a year to develop, so we are going to produce a new product from round 2 or the second round. And now you see the marketing table, right? Marketing table, you can update the prices for the 4 products from 22 to 30, 38 and 42 for different products, and use the promotion and sale from 1,200, 2,000 to 2,000. We focus more on low end products first, so with 2,000, and the other maybe 1,200. You can download the free Excel file. You can order the Zoom session for 1 hour to get the detailed guide and tips, so we can follow in more details, right? Or you can just watch the 4 videos of this, and then you can make sure you can win the CompXM in 1 or 2 hours. Now we are going to calculate the sales focus. On the screen, we check the career report from last round and multiple the user unit result from last round to calculate the sales focus for the round. And we move to the production table. Production is an important table to win the CompXM with 4 segments. So we are going to calculate the production schedule, but more important, we need to add capacities and update automation for the 4 existing product and also 4 new product. So we need to update the production capacities, the physical plant for the 4 new products, and also update the automation for 4 products, for 6 and 5 and 3 and 3 for 4 products. And for human resource, HR, we add 5,000 for recruitment and 80 hours for training. And in round 1, we need the fund to invest. Therefore, that's why we use all the 3 sources of funds: stock exchange, short-term and long-term loans, right? We also apply TQM for all the 10 TQM activities. On the 10 TQM initiative, we apply for each 1,000, and apply the same for all the 4 rounds. You get a total 4,000 for TQM for each initiative, right? And you can see the good result right from the first round, and good contribution margin of 35%, and also we can increase net profit from around 6 to 20% in 4 rounds. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. You can see the result on the screen.